Guys, welcome back to the channel today. Happy New Year, welcome to 2022, and this is me officially saying thank you to every one of you for the support and being a part of Style by Reme in 2021. Welcome, it's 2022. I am honestly praying that this year is easy for every single one of you guys and for me too, because I just want some level of ease this year. That's all I pray for, honestly. And yeah, so today I just want to take you guys along with me on this particular video, on all the things I'm going to be getting done today. I have a couple of sewing to do, and yeah, so basically if you're interested in seeing what I do in a day as a Nigerian tailor, then definitely keep on watching and let's go into the video. So guys, this is a beautiful lace fabric that I'm supposed to actually start with today. I'm supposed to make a gown with this, and this white is going to be the lining. That's what the owner of the dress wants. I actually was trying to convince them to use the same color of the fabric, but they said they wanted white, which is actually still very beautiful. I like it. Now this is just me arranging the skirt part of the fabric, just trying to bring out my measurement and just cut out the skirt part of the dress. So this part here is what I'm going to use. So I cut out my front parts of the top part of the gown with these, and also went ahead to cut out the lining, and I gummed the stage and everything to make it hard. Right now my younger sister is using the machine, so when she's done I'm going to go over and start stitching this down.
Change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted.
So after I was done joining all the pieces together and sewing everything down, this is what my front part looked like.
You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I might never meet up.
So the top part of this dress had a yoke, for which I used a net that was matched on my client's skin tone. So I am cutting out this flower design on this fabric to just place along the part where the yoke and the gown actually met.
You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish.
So I basically just went ahead to stitch this down, that's this flower along this edge here with my needle and thread, guys. This was the part that took most of the time. It was so time consuming. This took me about 2 hours to complete. It was really time consuming. So yeah, this was the part that was really hard for me.
You deserve. I know, say you get toasters, many in a Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a
So this is what the partially finished dress looks like. I still have a lot of finishing to do. As you can see, the neck is still looking funny. The hand still has some stuff that needs to be done on it, and the other sleeve as well. I've only done some part of it. I have something that I'm going to place on the other sleeve, basically. So yeah, this is just a partially finished work right now.
and keep you here with me.
So guys, it's like past 7 in the night. I've been on this dress since morning, and honestly I'm super tired, but I've been able to finish like 90% of the work. I would try to finish it up tomorrow, definitely. I thought I was going to be able to make like a couple of outfits, like a couple of dresses today, because I had these and I also had a bomber jacket that I wanted to do as a tutorial video, which honestly I could not do that anymore today because I was seriously on this, and it took a lot of my time. It's not like I was totally on it the whole day, but I had other things I was doing as well. But this was the only dress I was actually able to make today, and I did absolutely nothing more. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I know that it was not really a serious tutorial. It was supposed to be like a vlog, but I wasn't even really able to do much of that. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.